Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss a topic called a sequence. Let's see what is the definition of a sequence. An orderly arrangement of numbers according to a certain rule is known as sequence. Let's take an example here. 3, 6, 9 and 12. These are arranged in a particular order where 3 is said to be the first term, 6 is the second term, 9 is the third term, 12 is the fourth term. Taking one more example, 2, 5, 8 and 11, where 2 is the first term, 5 is the second term, 8 is the third term, 11 is the fourth term. So we are telling these numbers are arranged in a particular order. So let's see how they are arranged in a particular order. So let's see how these particular numbers are in a sequence. How we can justify that they are in a sequence. If you see, to every number we are adding 3 to get the next number. Example, to 3 we add 3 to get 6. To 6 we add 3 to get 9. To 9 we add 3 to get 12. In the next example also, every number is achieved by addition of 3 to the previous number. Like 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. So there is no any rule that we should add only 3. Any number can be added. I have just taken a simple example here. This can be addition or subtraction or multiplication or division, where the highest number could be 11, 8. It can be the other way around also. 8, 11, 5, 2. That time the 11 will be your first term, 8 will be your second term, 5 will be your third term and 2 will be your fourth term. So always in a sequence, the first term is known as T1, the second term is known as T2, the third term is known as T3, which can go up to n terms to get the nth term that is called as Tn. So let's discuss how can you identify whether the given sequence is a sequence. I mean whether the given ordered numbers are in a sequence. So let's take examples and find out how you can find whether the given arrangement is a sequence. So here we have the sequence 4, 11, 18 and 25. So we achieve 11 by adding 7 to 4. Same way we achieve 18 by adding 7 to 11. Same way we are achieving 25 by adding 7 to 18. So they are in a particular order where every number is achieved by adding 7 to the previous number. Like the first random number is 4. To 4 we add 7 to get 11. To 11 we add 7 to get 18. To 18 we had 7 to get 25. So you have an orderly arrangement happening here. So therefore this is a sequence. Coming to the next example, 27, 19, 40 and 70. I can call this is not a sequence because there is no any orderly arrangement. We have 27, 19, 40 and 70. If you see the difference also, if you add 30 to 40 you have 70, but there is no sequence, there is no relation between each numbers. There is no any pattern following happening between these numbers. So therefore this is not a sequence. So in this example 27, 19, 40 and 70, there is no any pattern happening. There is no any particular order in that is this particular these numbers are arranged. There is no particular order here. So any sequence given to you can be identified as a sequence or not by finding the relations between them. So any addition or any subtraction or any multiplication done on these number, we won't get any orderly solution for this. So therefore we conclude this particular given sequence is not a sequence. Now we have a question. Find the first three terms of sequence whose nth term is 2n plus 5. So we can write it as Tn is equals to 2n plus 5. Correct? So they have asked us to find first three terms. So that is T1, T2 and T3. So how can we find T1? So replace the n place with 1. So we have 2 into 1 plus 5. That will give us 2 plus 5. That is equals to 7. So our T1 is 7. Now let's go find T2. T2 is equals to 2 into 2 plus 5. What we have done? Just replace the n value with our current n value. That is why 2 into 2 plus 5. That will give us 4 plus 5, that is equals to 9. Let's find 3. 2 into 3 plus 5. Why 3? We are finding the third term. So therefore 6 plus 5 is equals to 11. So T1 is 7, T2 is 9, T3 is 11. Therefore sequence is equals to 7, 9, 11. They have asked us to find first 3 terms of the sequence. So the first term is 7, next term is 9, next term is 11. So if you see, the difference between every number is 2 and 2 here. Okay. So this can be justified as a sequence.